Hello, fellow achievers. Today, I am thrilled to share with you the ultimate guide on how to achieve your first $100,000 target. As someone who has successfully done it, I can assure you that with the right mindset and strategies, you too can reach this significant milestone in your entrepreneurial journey. Way 1: Setting clear goals. The first step towards reaching your financial target is to set clear and achievable goals. Visualize your success and create a roadmap to get there. Way 2: Consistent action. Consistency is key. Take daily actions that align with your goals. Success is the result of small efforts repeated daily. Way 3: Embrace failure. Failure is not the opposite of success, it's a part of success. Embrace failure, learn from it, and keep moving forward. If you are new to the channel, then click on subscribe button and hit the notification bell for regular updates. Way 4: Networking and relationships. Build strong relationships within your industry. Networking opens doors to opportunities you wouldn't have found on your own. Way 5: Financial literacy. Educate yourself on financial matters. Understanding budgeting, investments, and cash flow will guide you towards your financial goal. Way 6: Time management. Efficient time management is crucial. Prioritize tasks, delegate when necessary, and focus on activities that will yield the highest return. Way 7: Mindset mastery. Believe in yourself and your ability to achieve your goals. A positive mindset is a powerful tool on the road to success. Way 8: Adaptability. Be open to change and adapt to market fluctuations. Flexibility is key to staying ahead in a competitive business landscape. Way 9: Celebrate small wins. Don't forget to celebrate your achievements along the way. Recognizing your progress will keep you motivated towards your ultimate goal. There you have it, the 9 essential ways to achieve your first $100,000 target. Remember, success is not a destination, it's a journey of continuous growth and learning. Stay focused, stay determined, and you will reach your financial goals. Thank you for tuning in, and remember, your success is within reach. Now, go out there and conquer your goals. Until next time, keep striving for greatness.